appreciate the life. Like Santa. Where did we leave off? Oh shit, this guy died.
Don Quixote.
Don Quixote? Like One Piece? Doflamingo. Okay. Chapter 12.
This Krauser.
Oh yeah, I'm the best at hand-to-hand combat. Where'd I go? I'm a bit lost. KP fart. Alright. You're not gonna make Freaky Fry say it or anything? You're just gonna fart everywhere. Are you role playing in here? Oh, I'm so excited. Fuck. I'm too excited. Huh? I don't know. I'm not autistic. Who said that? Not me. No one be in my server. Your server. You know what, KP?
Leon, there's only time to say this
It is
once,
your
so
server.
listen up. They took your friend to the top of the clock tower. If you hurry, you might get there before she turns into one of them.
So you...
Oh, that's an X. Come on. Holy. You know what? I'm just gonna... Oh, no, I shouldn't have. I can't say Jump King Quest is a game I love and then play it every... Oh. Oh, Billy Bobby. Oh. Billy Bobby. I'm dead. Oh! Yo, he just executed me. Now that's cooked. That was cooked. I wasn't expecting. No, I don't want to kill them all. I might have to. Oh. Oh. Well, so if I could if I could just get to the point where, oh, this point, if I, okay, now we run away, and then they will, oh Jesus, oh yeah. Guys, you don't know this, but there's a giant, evil, scary, spiky. Am I low on health? What keeps happening? I don't feel like I should die there. That's weird. Oh, I have a quarter HP. That. Oh no. Okay. Here we go. We'll use this when I have to. Because I think that's my issue. Oh. Okay. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I won't die this time. Oh. Okay, I might have jinxed it. Can we move, please? Giant evil ball coming. Oh, where's the giant evil ball? Oh. Yo, it worked. How'd I know? I must be a genius or something. I'm the smartest man alive. Now, he won't. Oh, I didn't panic. Actually, yes. Thank you. I didn't forget. I didn't forget. You might have reminded me, but I didn't forget. I would not forget. Actually, it's not very important. Mm-hmm. Didn't forget. Okay.
That son of a bitch.
Oh, is that what I think it is? Is that an arena? Sprouts cum sock. I don't know who Sprout is, but I bet you're crunchy. You try to fit. Oh! Oh! I am clearly. Oh wait, I gotta get some away. I am clearly not. After that, I am not trying to beat the game. Please. Where is he? Where is he? Oh. Yo. Three. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh, please, 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 please. Okay, okay. Craft. Okay, 3. This should do him. This should do him in. Next chance he gets. This should do it. I hope. Something's happening. Doesn't that hurt? Oh, he's quick. He's quick firing. Let's go! I fucking knew it! Frick you, Steve! What the hell am I help you? Oh. Oh, he's talking to me. Okay. I got a piss. That was too high. Oh, there we go. System restored. Yippee. Still expecting a fat naked man somewhere. Do you have what I need?
Christ. What kind of experiments are they doing here?
The not good kind. The ones I don't have bullets for. Oh god, this is the GG. G fucking G. Yeah, he pulled out his weapon. He knows.
Fuck are you?
Something I don't have. I missed. This guy's kind of freaky. Okay, okay. Lore. Okay, no, I get it. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye-bye. I'm not pulling out the rocket launcher. I gotta go this way. Bye-bye. I wish this area would give me more bullets. I don't have any. Nope, wrong.
Gotta switch the power over.
Oh, I gotta switch the power over. Okay. No, it's fine. It's in the original. Like, oh, not the remake. Oh, dude, if one's in here, I'm cooked. They're like, why are they? Oh. Oh, they're like Luffy from One Piece. They all ate the gum fruit. I'm gonna go save actually. I think we're in a good point. Where as long as one isn't right outside this door ready to attack me. Oh, it's right there though. I think I'm at a good point. Okay. Nope, not you. Alright. I can't wait to experience what's in the purple vial room. Is it out here? Oh, thank God they're distracted. Man, these things, I can't. I haven't not been given any ammo to even like kill them. But since they're called the regenerator, I can only imagine what they do, even though I try. All right. Oh, save. Awesome. I just wasted my time. There's a DLC for this game? I didn't know that. Do I play it? They didn't hear that, right? What the fuck? Oh, it's glass. Yeah, it's worth it. Oh, I might have to. You play Eeny Meeny Miny Mo. God damn. He is naked. They're all naked. Okay. Eeny Miny Miny you. Oh my fucking god. This one better have it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Where'd this go? It broke the other one. It did not just break the other one. Oh wait, where's the scope? The tool! Oh, what the? Oh, what the? Oh, why are they slippery? Oh, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. Wait, how do I get the... Dang, these things do rejuvenate. Oh, gum gum!
Damn it.
Oh, wait, they're both back.
Present
Take that.
for ya.
No, I'm leaving. GG. You know what? I think I'm good. I don't need the wrench. I don't need it. I don't need it.